So today I'm going to do something really exciting. I have just been issued with the new Skintecture LED Light Therapy Beauty Mask. If you are suffering from acne, blemishes, rosacea, redness, then this is the product for you. Also pigmentation and fine lines, it'll help treat you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the mask on. I'm just going to make sure that you've cleansed. Now I have cleansed my face and I do tend to have a bit of an oily T-zone. I love this Geraldine, what's it called, Rose Water Balancing Mist. I really do love this product here, so if you can see it. I tend to put it on because I always have a bit of a T-zone happening and I tend to shine. Because it's powered by a USB device, you can power it via your mobile phone, or you can power it up or you can plug it into the wall. I find that this is probably the easiest. Mobile phone's easy too, but if you're going to be listening and you're listening through your iPod or whatever, yeah, I find that this product is the easiest. So first up, this is the red light. It helps promote collagen and elastin straight to the surface of the skin, so it improves the circulation of the skin. If you're trying to treat acne or acne bacteria, as they call it, bacteria that's caused from your pores being open or whatever, the blue light is the recommended light. So again, very therapeutic, I find the blue light. The orange light. So the orange light is designed for pigmentation, sun damage. It'll help, again, reduce the appearance of fine lines. So will the red light as well. So you've got 3 different treatments to choose from. And all you need is 5 to 10 minutes and 20 minutes if you're really feeling good a day to start seeing some results. Head to their website, skintecture.com, and enter the code that's listed down below, which is available for use on this mask only. I can't wait until you try it out. Give it a go. But also, check out some of their other amazing products that they've got. They're all about skin, all about glow ups. I think you guys are ready for your next glow up. Thanks till next time. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.